Hello dear students of Standard 9th, welcome to grammar class. Today you are going to learn new lesson of grammar and the title of the lesson is degree of comparison. You may know there are three kinds of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In this video you are going to learn how to change the degree, means transformation of degree. So look at the title, change the degree. Some steps are given, those are important, so listen it carefully. Steps to change the degrees are: first, identify the kinds of a degree, means which kind of degree it is given. The sentence is given in positive degree, comparative degree or superlative degree. You have to identify first. Then second step, convert positive degree into comparative. If statement is of positive degree, then you can convert into comparative degree. Now third number, convert superlative degree into positive and comparative if the sentence is of superlative degree. So you can convert sentence into two way, convert into positive degree as well as into comparative degree. So superlative degree is converted into two ways, convert into positive as well as into comparative. Now we move to rule number 1, that change positive degree into comparative degree. But how can you identify the sentence is of positive degree? So not positive degree contains as or so as. The sentence contains as or so as is considered as a positive degree. If this sentence is given in examination, so you may convert or you can convert positive degree into comparative by following some rules. Interchange the noun or pronoun. The second step, when you convert into positive degree into comparative, you have to remember interchange the noun or pronoun for changing into comparative degree. So you have to change the position of noun and pronoun while converting positive degree into comparative degree. And when you convert the positive degree sentence into comparative, you have to take care, then add er or more. That you have to just listen it, add er or more with then to make comparative degree. If the sentence of a positive degree is affirmative, means without no or not, it is called affirmative sentence. And while you convert this positive degree affirmative sentence into comparative, so you must apply not, but the sentence meaning should be remain same. Just we go for the example so you can understand easily. The next step is that if the sentence of positive degree contains no or not, means positive degree having negative meaning, so remove no and not to make comparative degree. So again I just make you remind, if positive degree having negative meaning, you have to convert into positive meaning while converting into comparative degree. Means positive sentence having no or not, you should remove no or not in comparative, and positive degree sentence doesn't carry no or not, so you should apply no or not and make comparative degree into negative formation. Just make it clear with some of the example. Example 1, Mohini was as clever as Richa. Now you can see as, it means it is a positive degree. Now we want to convert into comparative. As or so as word shows positive degree. So when positive degree is given, we have to convert into comparative degree. So first step, convert or interchange noun or pronoun position. So here Mohini is a noun and Richa is a noun. So we have to interchange the place. And first thing is that if positive degree is in affirmative, means without no and not, so you have to convert comparative degree by interchanging noun and pronoun as well as add not not and add er or more to the adjective. Here cleverer is a adjective, clever. So convert into cleverer while we convert into positive degree. So answer is like that. Richa was not cleverer than Mohini. Richa comes first, then afterward Mohini. So interchanging of this pronoun or noun. So Richa was not cleverer than Mohini. Again I repeat the rule. When you convert positive degree into comparative degree, just make it clear. If as and so as is given, so it is called positive degree. Second step, interchange noun or pronoun. If Mohini or she, whatever he, she, it is called pronoun, and names are given, it is called noun. Second step, interchange the nouns. Then if positive sentence is in positive degree, sentence is with affirmative way, means having no or not, or with having no or not, that you have to decide. This sentence, example number 1, doesn't have no or not. It means it is in affirmative way. So you have to convert into negative formation while you convert into comparative degree. So here we apply no and not. So Richa was not cleverer than Mohini. An adjective clever convert into comparative by adding er or more. Now we go for next. Second example, it is given in negative formation. So you have to remove no and not in converting the comparative degree. Ram is not so tall as John. Here so as. So as, it also shows positive degree. So while you convert into comparative, take care, Ram and John both are the noun. Interchange the place of noun, and no and not you should remove. So John is taller than Ram. The answer is in comparative degree is like that. John is taller than Ram. Now we go for the next rule. Rule number 2. It says change comparative degree into positive degree. So if comparative degree is given, so how can you convert into positive degree? That you have to take care. Some steps are given. Listen it. Note how you have to identify this sentence is of comparative degree formation. So comparative degree contains er or more with than, or er or more is applicable to only adjective. Clever, then you can say intelligent, beautiful, these are adjective. You can add er or more including than. It is called comparative degree. Now if here second step is that remove er more with than from the comparative adjective and put simple form of adjective without er or more. Means if you want to convert comparative degree, so er or more is given in the sentence, but while you convert into positive degree, so you have to remove er or more and put simple form of adjective. Means cleverer, if it is given, it is called comparative degree. But if you want to convert into positive, so cleverer, you have to remove er and simply place clever. More beautiful, remove more and simply place beautiful. Now just make it clarify with some of the example. Here the same rules applicable while we convert positive degree into comparative and comparative into positive. Here interchange noun or pronoun like positive degree into comparative. Here in the same comparative into positive. Interchange noun or pronoun to make positive degree. Add as or so as. While you convert comparative degree into positive degree, so you must apply as or so as, because as or so as shows positive degree formation. That's why you must put as or so as. If a sentence of comparative degree is affirmative, means without no or not, so add no or not to make positive degree. means while you convert comparative degree into positive, if the sentence related positive degree is in negative, so convert into positive formation in positive degree. Now we go for next. The second point is that if a sentence of a comparative degree contains no or not, means comparative degree sentence having no or not, so remove no or not and convert into positive form, means affirmative formation. Now we make it clear with some of the examples. Example 1. Mahesh is smarter than Ganesh. Now how can you identify this is a comparative formation? So smarter, ER is given. Smarter, cleverer, more beautiful, most important, yeah, more important. Here most is superlative, but we are talking about comparative. So ER or more form is applicable. So smarter, Mahesh is smarter than Ganesh. This is a comparative formation. Now if we want to convert into positive formation, which are the rules? First, you have to interchange noun or pronoun. So here Ganesh and Mahesh you have to interchange. Then if comparative sentence is in affirmative, means positive way, so convert into in a negative formation. So apply no or not. So Ganesh is not so smart as. Here smarter convert into so smart as. Add so as or as, both are correct, and put positive formation, means simple form of adjective. Smarter convert into smart and so smart as Mahesh. Now we go for the next example. Writing is more important than reading. Here first change the place of noun. Reading come first, then writing goes last. More important than shows comparative formation. Now if we want to convert into positive, in this sentence no or not is not applicable, is not given, so we have to apply no or not and then form positive degree. So question is like that, writing is more important than reading. Answer, reading is not as important as writing. Or you can say, or you can write, reading is not so important as writing. You can apply as or so as, but remove er form or more. Remove er form or more and apply simple form of adjective. Smarter into smart and apply so smart as. Like the same way, more important into only important, or and apply as or so as. So answer is like that, reading is not as important as or so important as writing. Now we go for the another example, that is of also comparative degree. It contains a negative formation. So while it is in negative form, we have to convert into positive degree with a affirmative form. Mohan is not taller than Tom. Here er, taller. So change this place of noun. Tom comes first, Mohan goes last. So Tom is, remove no and not. If no and not is given, remove no and not. Tom is as tall as Mohan. Again I repeat the answer, Tom is as tall as Mohan. Don't write like this, Tom is as taller as Mohan, because as shows positive form, and when there is a positive form you must apply simple form of adjective. Er or more you have to remove from this adjective and apply taller into tall and as or so as. Now we go for the next rule. Rule number 3 is related superlative degree. Now we go for rule number 3. Change superlative degree into two-way, positive and comparative degrees. Here you should remember one thing. Note, superlative degree contains the est, the as well as est, the est or the most form. It is called superlative degree. The most beautiful, the highest, the lowest, these are called superlative formation. Now superlative degree can be changed into both way. That is, you may convert or you can convert positive degree and into comparative degree. Superlative degree can be converted into two way. You can change superlative degree into positive degree and into comparative degree. To convert superlative into positive, first, to convert superlative degree into positive and comparative degrees, remove the est form, is the highest, the lowest, the cleverest. You have to remove the and est form of adjective. Or if most is given, the most beautiful, so you have to remove from that the most and put positive or comparative formation, means ss or er or more than form. Word s directed by the rule, and these are the word directed by the rules, means here positive formation, if you want to convert into positive form, apply so as or as, or if you want to convert into comparative formation, so apply er or more as per the rule. Now we go for the transformation of superlative degree. So there are two types to change, or two ways to change the superlative degree into positive and comparative degree. We are now talking about first way or first type. Change the superlative degree into positive and comparative degrees. The first type, what is the type that you have to remember? If the sentence of superlative degree contains the most or only the most or the, then put no other and so as or as after that to convert into positive. Means if the and the most, these words are given in the sentence, and if you want to convert the superlative degree into positive, so apply no other and so as or as after adjective. This is applicable when superlative degree contains the and the most word, the cleverest, the highest, the lowest, the most beautiful, the most intelligent. These are the word. If any of the word is given in superlative degree, and if you want to convert into positive degree, you just apply no other and so as or as after this adjective formation, is adjective word. Second, here if you want to convert the superlative degree into comparative form, having the same word the and the most, then add er or more to the adjective with any other to make comparative. So if you want to convert superlative degree having the and the most word, these are the word you have to remember. Only we are talking about the sentence contains the or the most word. If you want to convert into the same situation into comparative degree, so you have to apply then any other. This is the first step or first type of degree of comparison of superlative into comparative and into positive. Now we go for some of the example so you can understand easily. Example first, Tom is the greatest actor in Bollywood. What is given over here? The. We are talking about the word the and the most. The and the most. Tom is the greatest. actor in Bollywood, it is superlative degree. Now if you want to convert into first positive degree, so add no other. When the est or the most is given in sentence, so you have to convert by adding no other into positive degree. So no other actor in Bollywood is as or so great as Tom. Interchange of noun or other part of the word. Interchange of the noun or other part of the word. Here just listen it carefully. Interchange of the word. But which word? After the est, that is applicable. After est, the greatest, the most. After which part of the sentence is given, you put first and subject goes to object place and object goes to subject place. So here no other actor in the Bollywood is so great as Tom. Here so great as or as great as shows positive degree formation. Now if you want to convert into comparative, the same sentence having the est, Tom is the greatest actor in Bollywood. So if the est or most is given, and if you want to convert into comparative, apply then any other. Apply the word then any other. Here while you convert into comparative degree, so don't change or don't interchange the place of object and subject. In comparative degree, subject remain at its own place and object remain at its own place. So don't interchange while you convert superlative degree into comparative degree. Tom is greater than any other actor in Bollywood. Tom, here subject remain same. Then is greater convert into greatest, convert into greater. So Tom is greater than any other actor in Bollywood. Again I repeat, so listen it. If the sentence containing the most or the est form, it is called superlative degree. If you want to convert into positive, so apply no other and so as or as. If you want to convert into positive comparative formation of the same superlative degree having est or most, so subject remains same, then afterward you have to add er form or more, great into greater, then apply then any other. If you apply no other, your sentence is wrong. So while you convert into comparative formation, apply then any other. So answer is like that. Tom is greater than any other actor in Bollywood. Now we'll make it more clear by the second example. First example contains the est, the greatest. Now this example contains the most. This is superlative degree. If the most is given in the sentence, and if you want to convert into positive formation or comparative formation, means positive degree or in comparative degree, how do you convert? That is the question. So some rules you have to follow that I am going to explain. First question I am going to read. Richardson was the most popular minister in America. The most means superlative degree. Now if you identify this is superlative, so you can convert into positive or in comparative. So here first the most is given, and if you want to convert into positive, to start with no other word. Always start with no other word. So no other. Then if you want to convert into positive, subject goes to object place and object goes to subject place. So no other minister in America was as or so as popular as Richardson. Here why we apply was? Because we are talking about single minister only, not ministers. Minister was. If ministers, then were. So no other minister in America was as or so popular as Richardson. So Richardson is one of the person. So here it is single person, so we apply here was. So again I repeat the answer. No other minister in America was as popular as or so popular as Richardson. Now the same sentence, Richardson was the most popular minister in America. The sentence contain most means superlative. If you want to convert into comparative degree, so subject comes at first place as it is, no change in subject and object, but you have to take care that you have to remove the most formation, then apply more or er form. So your answer is like that, Richardson was more popular and apply than any other. In positive degree we are applying no other. In comparative we are applying than any other. So Richardson was more popular than any other minister in America. Previously in this video, we discussed about the superlative degree convert into positive and into comparative with the word the est and the most. But second type is that the sentence is in superlative degree. If the sentence is of superlative degree contains one of the or very few. If superlative degree start with one of the word or very few word, and then if you want to convert into positive, so what you have to apply, just brackets very just seriously note it in your mind. This is the important sentence. If the sentence of superlative degree contains one of the most popular, one of the most we can say intelligent, so here then put very few. If you want to convert the word superlative degree having the word one of the, then you have to convert positive degree by adding very few, and after very few you have to add as or so as. While you convert positive degree you must apply as or so as. Don't forget any time, whether it is a comparative into positive or superlative into positive, you must apply as or so as and simple form of adjective. Here we are talking about second type or superlative degree, that the sentence contain one of the most, is one of the greatest leaders, one of the greatest actors. So if this kind of word is given one of the, and if you want to convert into positive, so remove one of the and add very few to make positive degree. Now second step to make in comparative degree. If the sentence of superlative degree contains one of the most popular, one of the most intelligent, one of the most beautiful, if it is given, and if you want to convert into comparative degree, then add most other and er form, most other and er or more form. Just make it clear by some of the example. Again I am making you remind that previously we were talking about superlative degree into positive and comparative when the superlative degree have only having the and est form or the most form, the greatest, the highest, most beautiful, most intelligent. But second type shows that if superlative degree contains one of the greatest, one of the highest, so this kind of formation is called second type. And in second type you have to remember when one of the an est form is given or one of the most form is given, so what you have to do? So here first example, Rita is one of the greatest actresses in India. This is called superlative degree because est form is given with one of the. So if you want to convert into positive degree, so remove one of the and apply very few. So very few, then again same, subject goes to object place and objects go to subject place. So very few actresses in India, here actresses, so apply are. Very few actresses in India are as great as Rita or so great as Rita. Again I repeat, remove one of the est form and apply object first and then subject at last, and very few keep at the beginning of the sentence. Very few actresses in India are as great as Rita or so great as Rita. Now the same question, we go for how to convert into comparative degree. Rita is one of the greatest actress in India. The same sentence is given with having one of the est. So remove one of the est formation while you convert into comparative degree. Don't change the place. While you convert comparative formation, anytime don't change the place of subject and object. So Rita is greater than, greatest convert into greater, greatest convert into greater because we are converting into comparative, and comparative having er or more form, more into the adjective, great into greater, intelligent into most intelligent, or more, most applicable for superlative and more applicable or er applicable for comparative. So while we convert into comparative, always apply er or more form to the adjective. So Rita is greater than most other. One of the you have to remove, and if one of the is given in superlative, you must apply than most other. Don't apply only most other, than most other. So Rita is greater than most other actresses in India. Again I repeat, Rita is greater than most other actresses in India. Where you have to put than most other? After er formation or more formation. Here where is the er formation? You can see here greater is er formation, and after that you have to apply than most other. So Rita is greater than most other actresses in India. Now we go for the next example. Second number example. Here John was one of the most popular authors in India. So here sentence is like that, John was one of the most popular authors in India. It is called superlative degree. Here again the sentence starts with one of the most or one of the est. So here one of the most. John was one of the most popular authors in India. If you want to convert into positive, so one of the most you have to remove and apply in the beginning of the sentence with very few. It is about positive degree. So very few, now object goes to subject place and subject goes to object place. So very few authors in India, here authors, okay, and here sentence is of past tense, so we have to apply were. Very few authors in India were as popular as or so popular as John. It is called positive degree. And the same sentence, if you want to convert into comparative, so remove one of the most and apply er or more formation. So John was more popular than most other. After year or more formation apply than most other. John was more popular than most other authors in India. So these are the rule. Watch this video 2 to 3 times so you can easily understand how to convert positive degree, superlative degree and comparative degree.